All right, so this is to help you set up your DeltaMath account if you haven't already. So when you first log into Canvas, you should see maybe on your dashboard a list of classes unless you have it customized to something else. So get into the Math 2 class. And you should see two links there for DeltaMath, one for second period and one for eighth period. These are registration links. So you'll click on one of those, and it should take you to the course registration page. If you accidentally click the wrong period, it's not the end of the world. I can switch it. But make sure it says your class period right there. And then you're going to click on Register with Google. Now, it might prompt you to sign into your Google account again. And so it might not, though. For some students, if you're already logged in, it doesn't take you to that. So once you log in, it should pull up the DeltaMath page. It might ask you some confirmation questions. Some of the students have had a couple of different things come up. So it kind of just depends on how your Gmail account settings are. But once you get logged in, it should bring you to this assignment page. So we have had 3 assignments so far. So 1.1a and b we did on our first lesson, and then 1.4 is the new one. So this is the one that you'll probably work on in class today if you're setting up your account on that day. If you have not finished those prior to and you have time, you could work on those as well. Anyway, so that's how to set it up. To start an assignment, you'll just click on it. So I'll show you what I clicked on again. I clicked on that first skill, and it brought me to a question. So I'm ready to type in my answer. And we'll see, I'm just doing this really fast. Hopefully I'm getting it right. So you type in your answer, you hit submit. It should ask you to confirm that. You can hit enter to confirm, and it will give you your credit if you got it right, or it'll tell you and show you the solution if you're wrong. So you can go to the next problem, and it will give you another example, and you can do that one. And I just wanted to show you what happens when you get to the end. So I'm going to say next problem again. And you can see that it says that I've done 2 out of 3 so far right there in this section. So I'm going to type in this last one to show you how it looks when you finish a section. Oops. So I finished that section. Now I can choose next problem again, but if I choose next problem, it's just going to give me another problem from this topic. So this might go up to 4 out of 3 or 5 out of 3. So once you finish the section, you should see a button pop up here that says next section. So then you want to go to the next section to finish those 4 problems. When you finish those 4 problems, that next section button will come up, and you can go through and complete the assignment that way. If you're having any troubles with DeltaMath, let me know. Once you have created a DeltaMath account, you do not have to access it through Canvas, though you can if you want. You can go directly to deltamath.com and log in there with your school Gmail account right here, and it will also take you into that same place. So that's the way you might want to log in if you want a bigger screen, because if you do log in through Canvas, it kind of is that smaller screen. So those are your 2 options for doing your DeltaMath assignments. Thanks a lot. Let me know if you're having any questions.